Are you a woman entrepreneur? Are you struggling to find more customers for your business? Are you doubting yourself? Is your passion not profitable? We have a solution. We do WorkPeer, India's fastest growing marketing system for women entrepreneurs. I'm Kadambari, founder, Women Entrepreneurship Development Organization. Entrepreneurship is a lonely journey, not for a We-Do woman. Join We-Do, take the support of the system and your peer members and grow passionately in your business. Make your passion profitable. Let's grow as we let grow.
Hi all, good evening. This is Kamala Priya representing Fidleys, the fun idlis. As you all are aware, these idlis are ready to eat, hygienically prepared with no preservatives and added colors. These are easily preparable by kids. We had an overwhelming response from each and every one of you for our already existing flavors, chili idli, lollipop idli, podi idli and curry leaves idli. Now Fidleys is proudly introducing 4 more flavors for you all. Those are coriander tidbits, tomato tidbits, mango tidbits and the queen of all, sandwich idli. And now to say more about the products, the coriander tidbits are idlis mixed with iron and fiber rich cilantro paste, flavored souring agent, healthy condiments, shallot and then shallow fried. And now to say about the tomato tidbits, these idlis are mixed with natural vitamin and mineral rich cherry tomato paste, healthy condiments, herbs, shallot and shallow fried. And now about the mango tidbits. This is the most loved fruit and even when it's raw, everyone loves it. And these are idlis mixed with antioxidant rich mango paste, healthy flavorous shallot and then shallow fried. And now, as I mentioned, the queen of all, sandwich idli. These idlis are prepared with mashed potatoes with healthy condiments and other flavorful vegetables stuffed inside like a sandwich. Lovely, isn't it? So I think this would have made you all eat it immediately. Have this immediately for your meal. For ordering, just visit our e-cart eshop.fidleys.com and our products are also available in Chennai in few supermarkets. Our ask is, we would like our friends to recommend few more supermarkets that are inside big communities and also the supermarkets that are known to them so that our customers can easily reach for our products. And also, if you are within Chennai, you can order Fidleys through our e-cart eshop.fidleys.com or WhatsApp to our number that is scrolled down. And also, we have few testimonials that I'm going to play now. Please have a look at it. Thank you very much for the opportunity, Kadambari. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Manashri. So I've been a regular customer to Fidleys and it is one of my favorite snacks at evening.
What are the flavors that you've tried in Fidleys?
So I've tried chili idlis and podi idlis. They both were very tasty.
Which is your favorite among the both?
I like chili idlis as it was sweet and I liked it.
Okay, who made it for you?
I made it by myself. It was just to keep it inside the microwave, so it was so easy. I made it by myself.
Okay, do you recommend Fidleys to everyone?
Yeah, I recommend it as it is fit for all ages from adults to kids.
Okay, do you have any other suggestions for Fidleys? Any other flavors to add on?
So as we are kids, so we like chocolate. So I recommend, it's just a suggestion to make chocolate idlis.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Hey, baby, what are you going to do today for the snack?
Chili idli.
Okay. என்ன பண்றீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்?
நல்லா அதை கட் பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கணும். இந்த two packets இருக்கு. இதுதான் sauce and இதுதான் இதான் idlis. நான் இதை open பண்ண போறேன். இந்த மைக்ரோவேவ் பவுல்
Looks yummy.
எப்படி குளிருது.
Cut it with the scissors. Put it inside, baby.
Fine. Pause பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
No.
இப்போ நான் இதை 1.5 minute நான் சொல்லிய மாதிரி இருக்கு.
How is it, baby?
Yummy.